What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to properly install Adobe Acrobat Reader on your Windows PC. Adobe Acrobat Reader is essential for viewing, printing and annotating PDF documents, and it's free to use. Open up your preferred web browser. Head to get.adobe.com/reader or click on the first link in the description. This will take you to the official Adobe Acrobat Reader download page. On the download page, you might see optional offers like McAfee Security Scan. Uncheck any optional offers if you don't want them. Click on the Download Acrobat Reader button. The installer file, usually named readerinstaller.exe, will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the readerinstaller.exe file to run the installer. You might see a user account control prompt asking you if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed. The installer will open and start preparing the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions. Usually, you just need to click Next a few times to proceed through the installation steps, and then wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. Click Finish to close the installer. You can now find Adobe Acrobat Reader in your Start menu or on your desktop. Click on the Adobe Acrobat Reader icon to open the application. When you first open a PDF file, you might be asked if you want to set Adobe Acrobat Reader as your default PDF viewer. Click Yes to make it easier to open PDF files in the future. Adobe Acrobat Reader offers many features such as adding comments, filling forms, and signing documents. Take some time to explore these tools to make the most out of the application. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.